Hi friends! For today's video, let's answer the question, paano mag-avail ng 10 days VAUSI leave? Alright, I will answer this question in a direct, concise, and with example. Are you ready friends to watch the full video? If yes, so let's get started. Ang VAUSI ay batas po ito. Republic Act 9262. Protection po ito sa mga women and children na na-abuse, no, physically, mentally, sexually, psychologically, and are suffering, no, sa kanilang husband or partner in life. So ano po ang legal basis sa batas na ito? Para ang employer ay i-approve ang leave na ito. Answer? Section 43 of RA 9262, entitled to leave. Victims under this act shall be entitled to take a paid leave of absence up to 10 days under the Labor Code and Civil Service Rules and Regulations. Any employer who shall prejudice the right of the person under this section shall be penalized in accordance with the provisions of the Labor Code and Civil Service Rules and Regulations. Likewise, an employer who shall prejudice any person for assisting a co-employee who is a victim under this act shall likewise be liable for discrimination. So very clear friends, no? Any employer na hindi mag-approve sa leave ninyo, VAUSI leave, is liable and shall be penalized in accordance sa Labor Code or Civil Service Rules and Regulations. So ano ang mga requirements sa VAUSI leave? So may dalawang requirements pa ito. Answer, requirements in filing a 10 days VAUSI leave. Number 1, it shall be filed in advance or immediately upon the women employees return from such leave. So pwede pala ito, no, i-file before or after sa incident na may VAUSI yung employee concerned. Number 2, it shall be accompanied by any of the following supporting documents. So apart from leave application, meron tayong i-attach na documents. So any of the following ang i-attach po. Letter A, barangay protection order obtained from barangay. Letter B, temporary or permanent protection order obtained from the court. Letter C, if the protection order is not yet issued by the barangay or the court, a certification issued by the punong barangay or kagawad or prosecutor or the clerk of court that the application for the BPO, TPO, or PPO has been filed with the said office shall be sufficient to support the application for the 10-day leave. Letter D, in the absence of the BPO, TPO, PPO, or the certification, a police report specifying the details of the occurrence of violence of the victim and a medical certificate may be considered. So very clear friends, no? So meron tayong isubmit na supporting documents. Any of the following, no, yung i-explain natin kanina, from letter A to letter D. Rest assured, approve po ang VAUSI leave na application ninyo. 10 days leave po ito with pay. Alright? So hope you like and learn from our video content today. So kung may questions kayo, comments and suggestions, please write in our comment section below. I will make time to read and answer all your questions. Please like, share this video, and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.